Let's take a little quiz to explain what a bear market is. After this explanation, I bet you will already have your answer as to why we are currently in a crypto bear market. After this very short quiz, let's discuss when we will get the hell out of this crypto bear market. Okay, I'll be right back. A bear market is C. Yes, bear markets can be good or bad, depending on your situation. But most bear markets are just corrections of overextended bull markets. Better yet, you can purchase many assets that are currently undervalued. A bear market is a period of time when the stock market is falling. It is the opposite of a bull market, which is a period of time when the stock market is rising. A bear market is typically defined as a 20% or more drop in stock prices from their peak over a sustained period of time, typically 2 months or more. A bear market can last for months or years. It is usually caused by a sudden drop in investor confidence. This can be caused by a number of different factors, including bad economic news, political instability, pandemics, or even war. A bear market can be very bad for investors. This is because it usually means that the value of their investments will fall. It can also mean that they will have to wait longer to get their money back. Here are some of the main causes of bear markets. Economic recession. A recession is a period of time when the economy slows down and many businesses start to lose money. This can cause a bear market if investors start to lose confidence in the economy and sell their shares. Bear markets also may accompany general economic downturns, such as a recession. Political instability. Political instability can cause investors to lose confidence in the stock market. This can lead to a bear market if investors start to sell their shares. A global pandemic. A global pandemic is a serious event that could have a devastating impact on the world. During and shortly after a global pandemic, businesses close, travel is restricted, and the stock markets crash. While this may be good for some in the short term, it is bad for the economy in the long run. First, businesses have closed. This means that there are now fewer jobs available and less income being generated. This will have a negative impact on the economy as a whole, as people will have less money to spend. War. War can cause investors to lose confidence in the stock market. We can look at what is happening in the world today. War, even in a small region of the world, can lead to worldwide shortages of food, services, fuel, and more. This can lead to a bear market if investors start to sell their shares in fear of the unknown. What is a bear market? The correct answer is, a bear market is a period of time when there is a 20% or more drop in stock prices from their peak over a sustained period of time, typically 2 months or more. What are some of the main causes of bear markets? The correct answer is, some of the main causes of bear markets are economic recessions, political instability, pandemics, and war. How many of these did you get correct? Please leave your answer of 1, 2, or 3 down below in the comments section of this video. The reasons we are in a crypto bear market are for the same reasons the stock market is currently in a bear market, and then some. Economic recessions, political instability, pandemics, and war. Add on top of this, Terra Luna, Voyager, Celsius, and 3 Arrows Capital, just to name a few. I have no doubt that this crypto winter will end as all others have in the past. Get ready for more fast and furious segments and more quizzes. Take care.